Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial describes the process of transferring the W-2 information to the W-2C form. To begin, the payer ABC payroll has been created, and the W-2 data has been entered, submitted to the SSA, and now needs to be corrected. This transfer process will actually transfer both the previous and corrected information. However, the previous information transfer must be done prior to correcting the information. At the main menu, select the W-2 1099 Forms filer. Highlight ABC Payroll, and click OK. The transfer is done from the W-2, not the W-2C. Select Form. Select W-2, W-3 Forms. Next select W-2. This is the original data that was entered and submitted to the SSA. If all data has been entered and verified, it can be transferred to the W-3. Click Transfer. Since this information is the original, select W-2C as previous. Click OK. We are correcting the information on Record 1. Select the record that is being corrected. Click OK. When the file is imported, click OK. Enter the record number to begin the import. Make other selections as needed. Click OK. As you can see, the information has imported into the previous column on the form. At this point, you can manually enter the corrected information, although correcting it on the screen will not correct it on the W-2 form. The other option is to go back to the W-2 form, correct the information and transfer again, only this time, select W-2C as corrected. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.